In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your GetResponse autoresponder. If you're looking for a quick and easy guide to make your email campaigns more engaging, stick with me till the end. By the time you're done, you'll know how to personalize your autoresponder in GetResponse like a pro, and I'll even show you a better alternative that might work even better for your needs. First things first, let's dive into the basics. When you're setting up your autoresponder in GetResponse, it's essential to make it feel personal, right? People want to feel like they're getting an email from someone who understands their needs. The best way to start is by using dynamic tags. These allow you to insert personalized elements like your contact's first name right into the subject line or the body of the email. For example, instead of a generic greeting, you could say, "Hey, first name, here's something just for you." This small change can lead to higher open rates. Next thing you should know about is segmentation. Segmenting your list helps you send the right message to the right people. You can create segments based on things like demographics, past behaviors, or purchase history. This means your emails are more targeted, which makes them more relevant to your audience. For example, if you're running a special offer, you can target people who have previously bought from you, making your message more compelling. The third thing to consider is personalizing your subject lines and content based on user actions. GetResponse lets you set up triggers that respond to customer actions. So if someone clicks on a specific link in your email, you can follow up with a tailored message just for them. This is a great way to build a relationship with your leads and increase conversions. Plus, GetResponse's automation feature makes it easy to set these triggers up without needing any coding skills. The fourth thing I want to talk about is A/B testing. You should always test your emails to see what resonates with your audience. In GetResponse, you can test different subject lines, content, or even calls to action. This allows you to find out exactly what your audience prefers, so you can send them emails that are more likely to convert. Now, while GetResponse does a solid job in these areas, there are some drawbacks. For one, GetResponse can be a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out, especially with all the customization options. Plus, the interface isn't the most intuitive, which can make things confusing, especially when you want to personalize at a deeper level. Next, let's talk about alternatives. If you're really looking for more customization, or maybe something that's easier to use, I've got an alternative I'll mention at the end of this video that can be a great fit for your needs. It's simple to set up, offers excellent segmentation and personalization features, plus it has a free trial, so you can try it risk-free. To wrap up, personalizing your GetResponse autoresponder is a great way to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Using dynamic tags, segmentation, triggered emails, and A/B testing can really help improve your campaigns. But if you're looking for something with better overall ease of use and even more powerful features, stay tuned. I'll tell you about a fantastic alternative, plus how you can get exclusive benefits when signing up through our link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for an extended free trial and exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else.